everyone, it's Marisa from bumblebeeapothecary.com, and today I wanted to come on and show you what I'm up to right now. I'm actually unloading a big half of a steer that I just picked up from the place that does the cutting and wrapping, and I'm unloading it and putting it into our chest freezer. So I wanted to show you what I do to kind of sort things out, because it looks like just a whole bunch of white packages and it can be hard to keep track of what there is and what you have to use up when you go to pull meat out to cook. I have these plastic trash bags that I'm just writing on the top: bones, stew meat, and then steaks, roasts, all the categories, so that way I can keep track, and then I'll be sticking them into the freezer. So then when it comes time to actually put it in the freezer, having it sorted out in these bags that are labeled will make it a lot easier. You'll still have to kind of move them around and lift them to find what bag you're looking for or get to the stuff on the bottom, but it'll be a lot easier to just tell how much we have of each type of cut to use up too. So the next thing is just to put the bags into the freezer. We've got our chickens there and some bones left from last time. Got to make some more meat stock. Of course, we also have lots of other exciting extras that we made sure to ask for, like all the fat and then organ meats. I have some spleens in this bag, heart, tongue, oxtail, basically everything that they would give me. So liver, kidneys, all the good stuff. Buying beef in a half or a quarter or a whole like this is one of my favorite tips for healthier Weston A. Price or even Gap's diet type of eating on a budget, because if you are able to get half or a quarter even of an animal, you are paying less per pound for all the different cuts, including the steaks and roasts and things that cost a little bit more to buy them individually. So in the long run, you actually save money doing it this way, and you're able to get all the organ meats and fat and everything that you want as well. So we like to prioritize this in our budget and buy it this way, since it does save in the long run. They're right inside that black bag. Do you want to take a look and see them?
Yeah. They're red.
Are they red?
Yeah.
Are they going to be so good?
Yeah.
There we go. There it is. And it closes. Yay. I do have a few more bags that I have to put in another freezer, but for the most part it's all in this chest freezer. And then is what we'll do is we'll look at how much it cost us to get this half, and then I will divide that out over the next year, and then we'll put aside some money each month so that in about a year and a half or so, when it's time to buy another half, then we have the money set aside. So that's how we budget and plan for this kind of thing. Okay, so hopefully that was fun to see me put that away, and hopefully some of the little tips that I shared are helpful. I'll have some links below to some really good sources for buying grass-fed beef. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think would like to see it. Check out that description box for free ebooks and other goodies. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.